Ladies and gentlemen, you are all most welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lydia from Uganda, East Africa. Guys, today I wanna take this opportunity to thank whoever is watching my videos. Those who are liking, thank you so much. Those who have subscribed, thank you so much. Those who are sharing my content, thank you so much. May God bless you all for me. Today I've made this vegetable salads with only 3 ingredients, guys. With only 3 ingredients, I've made this healthy vegetable salads. Come with me, guys, as I take you through the steps. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'm gonna use to make my vegetable salads. I have the onion, the tomatoes, and the cucumber. Guys, in Uganda, that's how our cucumber looks like. So guys, this is me. I've started with my tomatoes, but for me, guys, I always first cut this and peel my tomatoes like this. So guys, I'm done with peeling my tomatoes, even the onion. I'm going to use only 1 onion. So guys, as you can see, I'm peeling my cucumber also. For me, I always peel it before cutting it. So guys, those without chopping boards, let's gather here. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. As you can see, I'm now done with cutting my tomatoes, so I'm gonna cut my cucumber also. After the cucumber, I'll just go straight to my onion, cut it also, make it sit very well with just very little salt, and the salads will be ready. Guys, you can make this in just 3 minutes and you are done. Just 1 minute and you are done. You can make this for your family anytime you feel like eating salads. This is the simplest salads you can make at home for your family. It's delicious and healthy. So guys, as you can all see, I'm now done with cutting all my ingredients. I've only mixed it with just some salt, and now the salads is ready. Guys, if you can get lemon, it's okay. You can go on and put some lemon, or you can put something like vinegar, anything you feel like. But for me, I didn't have all that. And another thing, I don't use lemon because I have ulcers, guys. I don't use lemons so much, the oranges so much, I don't use them so much. So I just put little salt, and now the salads is ready to eat. Guys, if I tell you, this salads is very delicious and nutritious at the same time, guys. Very natural. You can make it anytime you feel like. You can enjoy it. You can eat it at any time you feel like. If I tell you, guys, I eat this almost every day, because number one, it's very simple to make. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Guys, to those who have subscribed yet, thank you so much. Those who are viewing my videos, thank you so much. Those who are commenting, thank you so much. I really can't thank you enough, but I pray the Lord I serve to always bless you in Jesus' name. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please support me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share my content, comment. I will really do appreciate it when you do it. Guys, today's verse is coming from the book of Jeremiah, chapter 1, verse 5. Guys, I want to wish you a nice day. I want to thank you for always watching my videos. See you in my next video. Bye.